the famous H.E of banana and sweet banana that we have taken up here. It comes from here. We have more of groundnuts again, as I just indicated earlier, and the delegation. You are welcome to Kisii. Many of these people and the good people of Kisii, they're happy to just know that you've come. You're the second ambassador in Namang, I think, to be here. First we had the American ambassador, and again we spoke from here in partnering in many other fields of investment. Today I'm happy that we have been joined with the ambassador to China to talk to us. We have deliberated on a number of issues, on areas of investment and cooperation. Of course, you know that the embassy deals with the government to government, but the Kenya is enough to come and partner with us as a county. Therefore, we have discussed on the issues of value addition on our banana, coffee, and even vegetable, as it were. Again, we have discussed about issues to do with soapstone, which is used for production of ceramic, which is again used widely for construction. We have asked the ambassador to get the many Chinese investors to invest in Kisii, as it were. I know, Your Excellency, when we talk about it, most Chinese, they don't want to hear that China is developed. They say it's developing. But for sure, we know China is doing better than even the developing world, as it were. I got an opportunity to take my MCAs to China, the 50 of them, and they saw for themselves what we are talking about. Would want. When I was campaigning, I was like, even if we had a small China in Kisii, it will turn the fortunes that we have in this country. And we're looking forward with partnership that now we have established to see how we can cooperate with the Chinese government. You're welcome to Kisii. When you're around, Kisii is the most peaceful place. It's the most secure place. You can assure all other investors who can come in that this is the place to be. Our good people, when these visitors come around, let us give them time and show them in which parts of investment they can invest. I will welcome His Excellency the Ambassador to talk to us again, show us Your Excellency, in Africa, there is a saying that when the visitors come, people, the local benefit. Now that you have come, Your Excellency, we believe that China will benefit as big way. You're welcome. Thank you. As our people, I can see you guys. Otherwise, thank you, Your Excellency. Feel free, as just indicated, we signed an MOU with the Wuhan Polytechnic with the Nyahore. Nyahore is one of the leading vocational training centers in Kisii. Hopefully that we'll be having more of our youths going to do short courses and the courses that can help them. And we're looking forward to partner in doing it. Therefore, we want to leave it there. Good people, thank you. You're most welcome. Looking forward to get more of your people here, help us in many other things that we can cooperate in. Thank you.
Magwana na mabibi wa Kisii, hamjambo. It's a great pleasure for me and my colleague from the Chinese Embassy to be hosted here today by Governor Simba already, and the deputy governor, and the county team, and the commissioner. It's really an eye-opening experience for us. I've been in Kenya for some time, but it's my first time here. We drove past by Kisii yesterday, and all of my colleagues thought this is something very big city. And actually, we sense the friendship and the business opportunity here in this great country. As the governor just shared with you, we discussed on the sub-national exchange and cooperation. We explored the possibility of cooperation in the health sector, the agro-processing, particularly the famous, I'm so impressed by the banana products in this country. And the soapstones as very good material for artifacts, and many other areas. China is committed to deepen its friendship and cooperation with Kenya. And we wish the sub-national entities can play a bigger role in it. So that is the purpose of my visit here today in this beautiful country. And I really appreciate your warmest hospitality showered to the Chinese ambassador and the Chinese embassy delegation. We will not take it for granted. So in the Chinese embassy in Nairobi or in China, Kisii, we always find a very good friend, Asanteni Sana. Thank you very much.